In the ever-evolving world of futuristic automobiles, the 2026 USS Neon Tempest stands out as a bold and thrilling revelation. Designed with an eye toward the future, this all-electric hypersedan is not just a car, it's a statement of intent. From USS, a brand pushing the boundaries of innovation, performance, and sustainability. From the moment you lay eyes on the Neon Tempest, it commands attention. The exterior design is unlike anything on the road today. Its sculpted body, draped in a liquid metal finish, seamlessly blends form and function. Aerodynamics take center stage with a sharply tapered front, integrated active air flaps, and a rear spoiler that adapts to speed and wind resistance in real time. Every inch is crafted for efficiency and raw presence, highlighted by the Neon Pulse LED light signature that flows from front to rear like a heartbeat. Underneath the striking shell is where the magic truly begins. The Neon Tempest is built on USS's next-gen EonFlex platform, a modular architecture that prioritizes weight reduction and battery optimization. Powering this beast is a tri-motor electric setup, 2 motors at the rear and 1 at the front, delivering a staggering 1,100 horsepower and 1,200 Nm of torque. The result? A 0 to 60 time of just 1.9 seconds, rivaling the fastest supercars on the planet. But the Neon Tempest isn't just about straight-line speed. USS has integrated dynamic torque vectoring and a smart suspension system that reads road conditions 500 times per second. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or gliding over urban terrain, the car adapts, offering a ride that's both exhilarating and smooth. Its low center of gravity, thanks to the underfloor battery pack, enhances stability, while the carbon ceramic brakes bring it to a stop with unmatched precision. The battery itself is a breakthrough. With a 120 kilowatt solid-state power unit, the Neon Tempest promises over 600 miles of range on a single charge under optimal conditions. Fast charging capabilities allow it to go from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes using USS's new hypercharge stations. And thanks to its AI-optimized energy management, every electron is used with maximum efficiency. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a portal to the future. The dashboard is a continuous wraparound OLED screen with 5K resolution, offering customizable displays for navigation, performance, entertainment, and augmented reality visuals. The steering yoke is inspired by jet fighters, while the floating center console offers wireless device integration and biometric authentication for driver personalization. Materials throughout the cabin reflect a strong commitment to sustainability without compromising luxury. You'll find recycled carbon fiber accents, vegan leather sourced from lab-grown materials, and ambient lighting that adjusts based on your mood and time of day. The seating? Adaptive memory foam that conforms to your body in real time, offering massage, heating, and cooling functions. In terms of technology, the 2026 Neon Tempest is fully loaded. It supports USS DriveMind 3.0, an advanced Level 4 autonomous system that handles highway driving, city navigation, and parking with zero human input. The onboard AI assistant, called Nova, learns from your habits, driving style, and preferences, constantly evolving to offer a more intuitive experience. It can adjust your seat, play your favorite music before you even ask, and even read your calendar to suggest optimal departure times. Safety is another major pillar of this futuristic sedan. It comes with a 360-degree LiDAR radar network, predictive crash avoidance algorithms, and real-time environmental mapping. Whether it's identifying pedestrians in fog or predicting sudden movements from nearby vehicles, the Neon Tempest is always thinking ahead. One of the most talked about features is the car's exterior projection system. Using micro-LED projectors, the vehicle can display warnings, messages, or even directional cues onto the road. This is particularly useful in autonomous mode, where it communicates with pedestrians and other vehicles in real time, creating a safer, smarter flow of traffic. Despite all these high-tech features, the Neon Tempest hasn't forgotten about driver engagement. There's a special Tempest mode that tightens steering, boosts throttle response and channels all power to the rear wheels for an unfiltered, thrilling driving experience. It even adjusts the cabin acoustics to enhance the synthetic engine note, giving you the drama of a V12 without the emissions. USS is positioning the Neon Tempest not just as a car, but as a technological showcase, a flagship that redefines what an electric performance sedan can be. With production limited to just 3,000 units in the first year, exclusivity adds another layer of allure. Each unit will be built to order, with buyers able to select from over 50 exterior colors, bespoke interior themes, and even customized AI voice profiles. The pricing is equally ambitious, starting at around $180,000. But for those who seek the cutting edge of performance, design, and innovation, the 2026 USS Neon Tempest represents not just a car, but the future of mobility wrapped in speed, intelligence, and style. So whether you're a fan of electric vehicles, future tech, or just jaw-dropping performance, the Neon Tempest is a bold reminder that the automotive future isn't something we have to wait for, it's already here.